Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Monday, November 30th, 2020. Cyber Monday, if you're into those sort of things. And we'll call this one Let It Rain, Let It Rain, Let It Rain. Let's jump in. Alright, last week I talked ad nauseum about a 1-2 punch. Here's punch 1. Punch 2 we'll talk about tomorrow because punch 2 looks a little subdued and maybe suppressed to the mid-Atlantic or nothing at all. We'll see what happens. But let's talk about the here and now because this storm will be a doozy. This is the surface map. It's 6:06 this morning right now. And no major changes to the forecast. Rain moving in to the northeast if it hasn't gotten there already by 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning. Massachusetts, Boston, you're looking more around noontime, and very heavy rain this afternoon and evening. Wind we'll need to talk about that. Thunderstorms will be possible, we'll talk about that. 1 to 3 inches of rain for the general vicinity. Poor drainage flooding, south to southeast winds 40 to 60 miles an hour inland, 50 to 70 miles an hour in the southeast areas. Most lower end of the range, more isolated gusts possible to the higher end range. Let's look at what the NAM wants to bring wind-wise. This is for New England. Because I really wanted to highlight, this storm is really going to actually bring much more rain up into Maine because it's going to sort of stall tomorrow. It's going to bring a real drenching to the southeast portion, a good portion of the Maine coast, but this is, we'll say it's more like this. This is wind right now, but the precip is more like this. You'll see areas of 4 or 5 inches of rain. And those areas need it. This is the precipitation departures from normal for the whole year. This is the whole Northeast. Rainfall has been closer to normal in most spots since last month. We're still running well below normal for the year. Most of the counties across our forecast area are running 5 to 10 inches below normal. A lot of these browns are actually 10 to 15, and the darker browns are 15. All the oranges are 10 to 15, and the browns are 15 to 20. So it is extremely dry. So the rain from today and tomorrow will be extremely beneficial, very, very beneficial. Back to our surface plot with the radar. Strong front dipping south into Florida, storms possible, and will continue as it pushes east. Snow into the Smoky Mountains south, into 30s and 40s will dive deep down south into Florida, with Wednesday's AM temperatures being the coldest down there. But temperatures up in the northeast today, pretty balmy, pretty toasty for November 30th in the tri-state. Isolated severe thunderstorms possible today in these areas. Damaging wind would be the main threat in these areas. And finally, it's been a while since we've loaded the winter alerts into South Appalachia. Deepest purples are freeze warnings. That goes all the way down into Texas. Florida will see more of these over the next 48 hours, as I said. So a lot of weather happening, a lot to be excited about. And now we take a breath. I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update for Monday. Have a great day.